Hey guys, it's Caleb. Today in the shop we have a 2003 Toyota Corolla. We got a new set of mud flaps for it, so let's go ahead and show you how to install them. Here we have the tools that you'll need for install. You'll need a flathead, a Phillips head. We're just going to be using our 90-degree screwdriver today. You'll need a level, and then we're going to be using a 1/4-inch drill bit on the rear. Here we have the front laid out. What you'll get in your kit is your flap for that corner, and then you'll get the hardware. We'll go ahead and put a breakdown of that hardware on the screen right now. Now let's head over to the front and begin installing. Here we are at the front of the vehicle. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make sure that we have both factory inserts that retain the factory liner. If you have those, they have a hole, and we're just going to be screwing directly into those. And so let's go ahead and get started. We've taken our screw, we put it through our washer. We're just going to start with the bottom hole, and we're going to go right into that factory insert. Next, we'll repeat that same step for the upper hole. Going right into that factory insert. Now with those lightly snugged down, we can take the flap and we can adjust it in and out and get it exactly where we want it. Check the bottom with a level. Get it set to where we like. Take a step back, make sure it's right there. Now we're going to go ahead and fully tighten these down. With those fully tightened down, you can repeat these same steps on the other side. Now let's go ahead and jump to the rear. Here we have the rear laid out. What you'll get in your kit is your rear flap for that corner, and then the hardware. We'll go ahead and put a breakdown of that hardware on the screen right now. Now let's head to the rear of the vehicle and begin installing. Here we are at the rear. We're going to begin by double checking, making sure we have those factory inserts here and right here. And then you'll also want to locate the dimple. It may be hidden underneath your rear skirt. Once you locate that, we're going to go ahead and take our 1/4-inch drill bit and drill right through there. Now with that hole drilled, we'll take our small metal clip. We'll take a flathead and just expand that just a little bit. Not too much, you don't want to break it. And then that will help it go over the bumper just a little bit easier. Now I'm going to use my flathead to help push that into place. There we go. Now we can get our screw through there. Now we're going to take our flap with one of our longer screws, place it through a washer, put a washer on the back side, put our spacer on, and then that one is going to go into this inner mounting point here. Then next, we're going to repeat those same steps for the upper mounting hole. Right here, placing a washer on the back side, and then the spacer, and going into that factory insert. Now with those in place, we'll take our last screw, and that's going to go into that metal clip we just placed. Go ahead and get these all snug down. Now we'll go ahead, adjust the flap to your liking. We're going to check along the bottom edge here. Make sure it sits how we want it to sit. And with that level, now we're going to go ahead and fully tighten that down. With that fully tightened down, you can repeat these same steps on the other side. Thanks for watching.